She's a gooseneck on a dually, a long neck at the bar. Loves old John Wayne movies, waltzing under them stars. She's sun up in the saddle, cutting through the herd. Loves branding her cattle. Long live cowgirl.
It's gotta be a good one. Oh yeah. Oh,
well, she rode in them wagons when the Wild West was won. Took the canyons and badlands and made them her home.
She's boots on, Medusa on, and snaps on her pearls. Long live cowgirls.
Like a paint-colored Mustang, she's fast and she's wild. Stop a runaway freight train with her high country smile. She's tough as December, salt of the earth, make you fall like September. Long live cowgirls. Well, she rode in them wagons when the Wild West was won. Took the canyons and badlands and made them her home.
She's boots on, Chris the Deuce songs, and snaps on her pearls.
She's been there, she'll be here till the end of the world.
Long live cowgirls.
You found a new man, found some new friends. Got a new black dress I ain't seen you in. Got your hair cut and your nails did. Yeah, if looks could kill, I'd be real dead. And that's a new kind of drink that you're sipping on. And that's a new kind of buzz that you're getting on. And that's a new song there that you're singing along to. So baby, why can't you find another bar, place to raise them up? It can't be that hard. I know you saw my truck. Why can't you find another floor? Different neon lights till you walk through the door. Yeah, this one here was mine. Girl, why you gotta look like you do? So beautiful. Yeah, thanks to you, my moving on ain't moving very far. You already broke my heart. Why can't you find another bar? Just a couple miles up the main road, past the courthouse, past the cornrows. They got 2 for $1 buckets of them cold beers. Yeah, you can go anywhere but right here. Find another bar, place to raise them up. It can't be that hard. I know you saw my truck. Why can't you find another floor? Different neon lights till you walk through the door. Yeah, this one here was mine. Girl, why you gotta look like you do? So beautiful, yeah, thanks to you, my moving on ain't moving very far. You already broke my heart. Why can't you find another bar? Ooh, why can't you find another bar, baby? places you could hang around, where I wouldn't have to watch that brand new you with the brand new me. Why can't you find another bar, place to raise them up? It can't be that hard, I know you saw my truck. Why can't you find another floor, different neon lights till you walk through the door? Yeah, this one here was mine. Girl, why you gotta look like you do, so beautiful? Yeah, thanks to you, my moving on ain't moving very far. You already broke my heart. Why can't you find another bar? Why can't you find another? They got a million others. Why can't you find another? Why can't you find another bar? Why can't you find another? They got a million others. Why can't you find another?
Nah, I don't think so.
She asked me where I was from. I said somewhere you never been to, little town outside of Knoxville, heading by some dogwood trees. She tried talking with my accent. We held hands and waded into that blue water. She left her flip-flops by my Red Wings on the beach. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Eastern Tennessee. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots. I said, let's go shoot tequila. So we walked back to that beach bar. She said, don't cowboys drink whiskey? So we drank bottom shelf. She said, damn, that sky looks perfect. I said, girl, you never seen stars like the ones back home. And she said, maybe I should see them for myself. Yeah, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loved Eastern Tennessee. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots. And she told me I was crazy, yeah, but I still thought that maybe she'd show up. Oh, but now I'm dodging potholes in my sunburned Silverado, like a heartbroken desperado, headed right back to my roots. Something about the way she kissed me tells me she loves Eastern Tennessee. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots. Yeah, but all I brought back with me was some sand in my boots.
There he is. That ain't little. That is not little. Well, it's not big. I think this is a 2 pound, 3 pounder. He told me to let you know. I didn't get him yet. I'd fuck it. Oh, nice. Got one. Oh, this is a better one. This is a good one. There we go. Come on. Come on.
Heard I'm the bad guy, heard I'm the reason I didn't try hard enough to work it out. Yeah, all your friends are talking about how this breakup ain't breaking even. Oh, but they don't know they're just hanging around one side of this two-story town. Ooh, truth gets covered up by whiskey smoke and clouds of leaving dust. Don't you know that we both saw taillights driving off our separate ways? You in that Ford and me in my Chevrolet. Don't you know what we both said that night? Some love you win, some love you lose. You were blaming me and I was blaming you. Who's goodbye broke, who's heart in two? That all depends on whose review you're looking through. Whose review? Whose review? This stretch blacktop blurs out the good times. Baby, don't forget about how we weren't always where we are right now. We both got memories to burn through, so don't even try to paint it like the only hurting one is you. Yeah, don't you know that we both saw taillights driving off our separate ways? You in that Ford and me in my Chevrolet. Don't you know what we both said that night? Some love you win, some love you lose. You were blaming me and I was blaming you. Who's goodbye broke, who's heart in two? That all depends on whose review you're looking through. Truth gets covered up by whiskey smoke and clouds of leaving dust. Don't you know that we both saw taillights driving off our separate ways? You in that Ford and me in my Chevrolet. Don't you know what we both said that night? Some love you win, some love you lose. You were blaming me and I was blaming you. Who's goodbye broke, who's heart in two? That all depends on whose review you're looking through. Whose review?
Don't know.
Whose review?
Have you ever had a sunset dropping on a cotton field? Talk with God, make you feel like it's gonna be alright. Have you ever jumped barbed wire, built a bonfire under stars, pondered life over cold Bud Light? Whoa, that's what I'm doing tonight. Whoa, I grew up in the country, where you only gonna reap what you sow. It ain't always sunny, but that's what helps everything grow. I believe time is money, so I'm out here taking it slow. I think heaven's above, down here below. The answer is love. Oh, but what do I know? I grew up in the country. Have you ever had a sweetheart falling for a guitar, singing songs in the dark, thinking she's the marrying kind? Whoa, that's what I'm doing tonight. Whoa, I grew up in the country, where you only gonna reap what you sow. It ain't always sunny, but that's what helps everything grow. I believe time is money, so I'm out here taking it slow. I think heaven's above, down here below. The answer is love. Oh, but what do I know? I grew up in the country. I'm just a good old boy, thinking out loud. I ain't no better, y'all. I'm just proud. I grew up in the country, where you only gonna reap what you sow. It ain't always sunny, but that's what helps everything grow. I believe time is money, so I'm out here taking it slow. I think heaven's above, down here below. The answer is love. Oh, but what do I know? I grew up in the country. I grew up in the country.
Want a picture of that boy?
It's up to you.
He's Spider-Man in Walmart boots and a camouflage hat, with a baby blue zip code that gets hung up every cast. He thinks he's learning fishing from the man that taught Bill dance, and I think as I'll tangle it, put it in his hands. I hope he never finds out that I didn't hang the moon, and I'm never scared a monster out the closet in his room. One day between him leaving home and driving on my knee, maybe I'll finally be the man he sees in me. He waves that blanket like a checkered flag, pulling off of the interstate, with a Happy Meal cup held high like I won the big
Shit, and then
race.
getting stuck. Like, I
When we get home, his mind is
Oh, there we go.
blown. When
Another drop.
I untie his shoe, he smiles and says, "Daddy, there ain't nothing you can't do." Well, I hope he never finds out that I didn't hang the moon, and I'm never scared a monster out the closet of his room. Someday between him leaving home and driving on my knee, maybe I'll finally be the man he sees in me.
Oh, there he is. Finally, baby. Finally.
I know
you
he's
came in for that. You're
gonna
my
find
side,
out that I didn't hang the moon. There never was a monster in the closet of his.
talking about this.
Someday when he's driving home with his son on his his knee.
Bullshit.
I hope he's trying to be. Man, he sees me.
I mean,
Man, he sees me. Man, he sees me.